Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Samsung Galaxy M20 water test. I'm going to put this Galaxy M20 in the water for 1 minute and let's see if it can survive the water test. This specific version that I'm holding right now is a 3 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage. And also it comes with 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. It has a dual camera setup on the back, and this is a ocean blue color. And there's also a charcoal black color. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's keep this phone in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And the phone started reacting to the water. The phone doesn't respond to the touches in the water. Now let's flip this phone. Let's flip it back again. The phone is still on, and also it's going to be 1 minute. Now it's time to take out the phone. This phone has been in the water for 1 minute. Let's see if it's still working. But before that, let's just clean the phone. And the phone is fully working. Also, the phone is now responding to the touches. The water didn't went inside the front facing camera, and also the dual camera at the back. Let's see if the cameras are working. But as you can see, the water went inside the speaker grill. Let's check the camera first. Now let's take a quick photo. Let's switch to the wide angle lens. And yes, the camera is working, and it takes photos with good details and contrast. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor. So first I will add my fingerprint. So let's see if it's working. And yes, the fingerprint sensor is working. It unlocks the phone faster without any problem. Let's check the face unlock. It's adding my face, that means it's working. Now let's try to unlock the phone with a face unlock. And yes, the face unlock is also working. I got a notification that says the moisture has been detected. That means the water went inside the charging port. Now let's check the speaker.
Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and it's been a while since I last posted the video. But yeah, today right in front of me I have this Samsung.
The speaker is also working, but I feel the volume is little low. The volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the Samsung Galaxy M20 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.